Hello testing agency colleagues. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up an experiment in Optimizely. And I explain how you can test an experiment on the live site. First, you have to log in to Optimizely to see this dashboard. I'm going to create a new experiment today by clicking on the new experiment button. First of all things, for all new tests in Optimizely is to give the experiment a name. For now, we use the name demo page for Academy. The second step is to place an experiment URL. For now, we use the website testing.agency/academy/demo. If you have do this, you can click on the Create Experiment button. On the next screen, the website is loaded up. The screen is an interactive editor. You can see this by popping up all blue boxes in the window if I hover my mouse over the screen. Some clients use this interactive editor to create an experiment. We don't use this editor because we are the JavaScript heroes. Under the title Experiment Variations, you see that we have two variations now. To edit one of these variations, you have to click on the variation. You can see this by activating the blue bar. Click on the variation number 1. With the drop-down menu, we can give the variation another name. We call it the variation B with the name add title and CTAs. The following step is to add our code to this variation. To add the custom code, you can click on Edit Code that you will find on the right bottom corner. In this code editor, you can copy and paste your raw code that you have created. I will paste our own code. If you click on Apply, the website will load your code. If you do this, you can click on Save. It's important to do this every time to make sure you have to notice that the editor, the code editor can recognize any mistakes in the JavaScript that you have made. So we open it up and we delete it. Optimizely should give you an error, so you know there's a mistake. Now we have the variation, we should test this to know if all things are okay. It's simple to test the code by clicking on the variation and click on preview. A new window will open. It gives an error, but we have to save it first. You will now see the preview mode. As you can see, we are now in the variation, and you can test this with the original page. We can load both pages in this preview mode. As you can see, the experiment is not started, and because we are preview it, you can see it here. If we think all is fine, we can close this and we are back on the experiment view. Sometimes it happens that the preview mode doesn't work okay, so we have a workaround created to test this code on the live side. First, we have to go to the options and click on traffic allocation. We have to pause the original, so all traffic is going to the variation, and we click on apply. The second step is to create an audience experiment. To create a new audience, we click on the blue create a new audience. To test the code on the live side, we have to drag and drop the cookie condition. We give the cookie condition of the cookie a name. We call it A/B test. It's equals with the value true. And we give this a name, test cookie. And the description is optional, so we leave it for now. We click on the button save. Test cookie for now. Okay, this audience will see the people in this experiment will only see the experiment if you have this cookie. We click now on done. You can save this for now and you can start your experiment because only people with the cookie see this experiment. We click on start and we get a diagnostic report. You can ignore this. We go into a new page, the test page, go into the academy, testing academy. Now we see the original page and we have to add a cookie like A/B test /true. You can do this with the plugin in Chrome, Google Chrome, with edit this cookie. And if we now on the page, we see our variation. And yes, it's working fine without any error. So we can pause this experiment by clicking on the blue button, and we have to don't forget to change the traffic allocation so it's both 50-50. Click on apply, save now, and send this experiment URL to the client so he can check it on the live site. Good luck with that.